Today I'll show you how I prune or trim my tomato plants. There are two types of tomato plants, terminate and indeterminate. Terminate ones will grow up to a certain height and then will stop growing. The indeterminate ones will keep growing. So when it reaches 7 or 8 feet, we'll need to cut off the head so that it will stop growing. But when it reaches about 4 or 5 feet, I usually let 1 or 2 side shoots. Side shoots are the ones that develop between the leaf and the main stem, like this, so that they will become like the main stem. And also, we need to keep trimming or pruning the tomato plants all the time because they need air circulation. And when they develop the first set of flowers, we will remove all the suckers or side shoots like this, the ones that grow between the leaf and the main stem, because we want the nutrients to go to the main stem, develop more fruits and flowers. And after the first flower develops, we will leave only about 3 or 4 healthy leaves underneath that flower, and we will be removing all the other leaves because they need air circulation. Otherwise, they will get diseases. It is very important to always keep your tomato plants clean. We will keep trimming them during its life. Like, for example, we'll be removing all these suckers. It's a large one. That one is also a pretty large one here. So this is the main stem, and we will remove most of the leaves underneath, leaving only about 3 or 4 healthy ones. And do this only during a sunny day, so that they will heal rapidly and they don't get infected. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I will leave 4 healthy leaves underneath the flower. Just see, it's been trimmed nicely, so that there's plenty of air circulation, and all the nutrients will go only on the main stem, so they will develop more flowers and more fruits. Another one that I just trimmed here, and more here. Pruning cucumbers and squash, you could prune them the same way. Once your cucumbers or squash develop 6 sets of leaves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to remove any fruits that develop under the 6 leaf. So this one we'll remove it. These two we'll remove. Another one here. Another one here. And we'll also remove all the tendrils that develop. We do this so that all the nutrients and energy will go through the main plant, main stem, and you will develop more fruits this way. Because when they are young, they need all the nutrients they get so that they will grow strong. That's why we remove all those fruits under the sixth leaf. And also, if you see any leaf that does not look good, then we'll remove them also. All these leaves underneath will be removed later on when the plant grows and starts giving fruit. So for now, you can leave them. And as the plant grows, some of the leaves will get bad. So you remove all the leaves that look bad, or leave just the healthy ones, and it will grow very strong. Also, if you see any side shoots, the ones developing between the main stem and the leaf, like this one, remove them so that the energy will go through the main stem. And do this all on a sunny day, because we need to recover, and the wound will be healed rapidly. When your eggplant develops its first flower, and if you see any bad leaves like this one, remove them. Later on, we will be removing all the leaves underneath, but for now, we'll leave them so that the plant will grow healthy. And then we'll start pruning all the leaves underneath. On pepper plants, when you see the first Y and you see the first flower, then we need to remove all the leaves that are under that first flower. These leaves are not needed anymore. And we need to have the nutrients go through the main stem, and we will produce a lot more flowers and fruits. At every Y, they will be producing fruit like here. And as it grows, you will get more Ys, and we'll keep producing a lot of fruits later on, a lot of peppers. So remove all the leaves that are under the first Y and the first flower. And do this on a sunny day so that the wounds will be healed rapidly.